What's up, everybody? It's your boy Soother Sounds here, and let's get right into it. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you. We're going to explore something that brings joy to millions of people around the world. Today, we're hanging out with my main crew. No, not Zane and Heath. I'm talking about dogs. Yes, you heard it right, dogs. These loyal companions have been by our side for thousands of years, and there's so much to learn about them. Get ready to have your minds blown because we're diving deep into the world of our furry best friends with some insane facts that I bet you guys didn't know. From their incredible sense of smell to their unique behaviors, we're covering it all. Seriously, this stuff is wild. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's embark on this fun and educational journey together. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see dogs in a whole new light. All right, first up, you won't believe this. Dogs have 3 eyelids, no joke. I know, right? It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. Apparently that 3rd eyelid is called a nictitating membrane, and it helps keep their eyes clean and moist. It's like a built-in doggy windshield wiper. Next up, we've got some next-level stuff. Dogs can understand up to 250 words and gestures. That's like almost as much as some humans I know. Just kidding, maybe. So basically, your dog totally gets what you're saying. They're just judging you silently. Okay, get this. A dog's sense of smell is insane. We're talking 10,000 to 100,000 times stronger than ours. That's like they can smell what you had for breakfast from a mile away. No wonder they're always sniffing everything. Chapter 4. Bat dog. Hold up, it gets even crazier. Dogs can hear frequencies as high as 65,000 hertz. That's like twice as high as we can hear. They could probably hear a bat fart from across the street. Seriously, their hearing is off the charts. Chapter 5. The yodeling dog. All right, this one's my favorite. There's a dog breed called the Basenji, and get this, they don't bark. Instead, they make this weird yodeling sound. I'm not even kidding, it's hilarious. Imagine a dog concert with yodeling. That's some next-level entertainment. Chapter 6, Sweaty Paws. Okay, this one's a little gross, but also kinda cool. Dogs have sweat glands in their paws, so when they're hot, they sweat through their paws. It's like their own little built-in air conditioning system. You know how greyhounds are like the fastest dogs ever? Well, they can run up to 45 miles per hour. That's like faster than my car on the freeway. No wonder they're always winning those races. They're practically furry rockets. Chapter 8. All right, check this out. Dogs have a special membrane in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum. This membrane acts like a mirror, reflecting light back through the retina. It significantly enhances their ability to see in low-light conditions, almost like having built-in night vision goggles. So, next time you're scared of the dark, just grab your dog and you're good to go. Their incredible night vision will guide you through the darkness. It's amazing how nature equips our furry friends with such fascinating abilities, isn't it? Chapter 9. Did you know that Newfoundlands have webbed feet? Yeah, like ducks. It's because they were bred to be water rescue dogs, and those webbed feet help them swim like champs. Chapter 10. Last but not least, this one's super cool. Dogs' nose prints are as unique as human fingerprints. That's right, every dog has its own special nose print. It's like their own personal ID card. Outro. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. Alright guys, that's it for today's dose of mind-blowing dog facts. We covered so many interesting things about our canine companions, from their unique behaviors to their incredible abilities. I hope you enjoyed learning about our furry friends as much as I did. Seriously, dogs are amazing. They bring so much joy and love into our lives, and there's always something new to discover about them. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you learned something new, or if you just love dogs as much as we do. And make sure you're subscribed for more awesome content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one. Peace out. Until then, give your furry friend an extra hug from us.